बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए, दूसरों के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि नई आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक आसानी से पहुँच सकें। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बीए के 9th ऐसे द ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री के MCQs को अटैम्प्ट करने जा रहे हैं। लेट्स बिगिन। The first question is, the essay The Beauty Industry has been written by. What is the name of the writer of this essay? G.B. Shaw, Huxley, Herbert Gould, Thomas. And the right option is Huxley. This essay, The Beauty Industry, has been written by Huxley. The next question is, the writer deals with the habits of the fashionable dash women. English women, American women, Irish women, European women. And the right option is American women. In this essay, The Beauty Industry, the writer talks about the habits of the fashionable women of America. The next question is, after the dash, all the business activities faced a grave depression. After the World War II, World War I, Social War, or Freedom War. And the right option is World War II. After the World War II, all the business activities faced a grave depression. The next question is, American women of that time spent dash million pounds a week on beautification. 4 million pounds, 5 million pounds, 3 million pounds, or 2 million pounds. And the right option is 3 million pounds. The women of that era spent 3 million pounds on their beautification. The next question comes here. Today people are far dash than they used to be. Greater than they used to be, freer than they used to be, lower than they used to be, or richer than they used to be. And the right option is richer than they used to be. The next question is, the dash has become extinct like the dinosaurs. The girls, the old lady, the creams, or the wives. And the right option is the old lady has become extinct like dinosaurs. In today's era, you cannot find, it is very hard to find an old lady because of the beauty industry. The next question is, the cult of beauty is a dash, a success, a sin, a failure, or a right. And the right option is failure. The cult of beauty is a failure. The next question comes here. The beauty of lady is compared with the china jar, the vase, the robot, the fruit. And the right option is the china jar. The beauty of a lady is compared with the china jar. The next question comes here. Women believe that dash is as important as soul. Beauty, skin, body, or virtue. And the right option is body. Women believe that body is as important as the soul. The next question comes here. There are numerous forms of psychological beauty, ugliness, wisdom, or all. And the answer comes here, ugliness. ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसे दूसरों के साथ शेयर कीजिएगा। इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं नई वीडियो के साथ। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।